Alright, so I just recently being like 3 or 4 days ago, went and picked up this 1942 Ford, I believe 1 ton, simply due to the fact it's got dualies, and Flathead V8 with, that's hard as hell to see, but on the other side it's much clearer, 59A heads. I picked this up. This is my first real project that I've ever had, and I want to make it a good one. There you can see 59A, which confirms this is a 1942, at least according to the sources I have. That's not a light, that's just a reflector. I've got my flash on. But according to what the available information I have, this is a 1942 Flathead V8, and it should be, I haven't checked the stroke yet, and I'll get to that eventually, but this should be a 1942 90 horsepower Flathead V8 with the, like I said, I haven't checked it, but it should be 221 cubic inch. I will check the bore and stroke. Well, I'll try to check the bore and stroke when I get this thing in a shop, because I don't actually have it in a shop yet. But yeah, no, this will be one interesting project for sure. Hold on, let me clean you off a little bit. Sorry about that. There, a little bit cleaner. So, sorry, I'm fucking filthy because I just got done at work. Diesel tech by day. I guess now pre-war Ford truck enthusiast by night. We'll have to see how that goes. But to the cab, believe it or not, or I guess the interior, found some goodies that I've been going through. Got the seat up, found some old emergency road flares, a new in box flexible clearance light, found some caps, I'm not sure what they go to yet, found an old, I believe this is an air filter, though could be wrong, or an oil filter, definitely some type of filter. I haven't been able to find a clear part number for it yet, but basically brand fucking new. Just Cyclone. Yeah, I haven't looked up that filter number yet. Hopefully I will by the time this gets uploaded, if I haven't forgot about it. Anyway, that'll just stick that there for now. This truck's not going anywhere. Found some old tools, old hot cocoa mix with some really strange machine pieces. I'll upload some pictures of that, hopefully. The floor pan, yeah, found an old salt lick, cattle salt lick on the floor, and that's what did most of the damage. Thankfully though, the frame is in really good shape, so looks like I caught this thing just in time. Dash is still in it. Looks like it's definitely had some, we'll call it ingenuity work done to it, but I'll probably end up having to rewire the whole thing anyway. I'll just make my own wiring harness for it. It won't be that big of a deal. Factory heater, which is pretty cool. And yeah, oh, also this bed is a hydraulic bed, but I'm pulling this bed off. I guess if anyone wants it, well, let me know, because I'm not using it. I've got different plans and ideas for what I want to do with this. Tires in the rear are in okay shape. They're nothing to write home about. At least in comparison to the front end. The front end tires are, well, yeah, they're shot. But that's okay. So, hopefully I will be a little bit better about filming, because it tends to be something I forget about. I like to get like focused on something, and I get focused super hard on things really badly, and part of that's also I don't have a lot of time in my day. I go to college and also work part-time student, part-time employee, so quite a busy schedule. But yeah, I will, like I said, I'll try to remember to film more often, because I do want to make this like a cool series. I would love not only to have like video proof of where this started, but also where it goes, because this is definitely, it's something really cool, and I've always wanted to work on a Flathead V8. I think they're one of the most intriguing engines, simply because, you know, there was overhead valve engines at the time when Henry Ford made the Flathead, and it was just something new, something unique. That's always been really cool to me, and the aftermarket support is insane for these Flatheads. Much like myself, lots of people have, I guess you could say, gotten the Flathead bug. But yeah, and I also want to have this as like a way for you guys, whoever watches, to interact with me, and because I definitely don't know hardly anything about these. I'm sure there's plenty of people that know way more than I do. So I would love to see support and feedback, criticisms, whatever, corrections, definitely corrections, because I'm sure there's plenty I'll get wrong when it comes to this. But anyway, and also if you perhaps even want to see what I do for work, the biggest thing is I work on Big Buds at the original Big Bud plant in Havre, Montana. We also sell Versatile dealership. So Versatile's, Big Buds, whatever else ends up rolling through the shop. So yeah, for now I think I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Bye.